Hi, my name is Veronica and I'm here at the Toy House demonstrating Playmobil. Playmobil is a line of toys for 3 to 10-year-olds. They're designed to help a lot with imagination and creativity. They're all based on these 2.5-inch tall dolls, and as you can see they're based on various lines. This doll here goes with the spy agent line, which also comes with this ship right here, and the plane. You can see the figure inside of there as well, and they're all very interactive. They have different parts that move and things like that. This doll here is a pilot with the airplane line, and there's various transportation items in that line. There's also a pirate ship line here. And then you can see in this kit there's a farm line, and then we have an advent calendar for this season that you can put together, and then each day the child can open up a door with a different toy inside. We also have some catalogs here if you want to come down to the store and check it out, and these CDs that kids can play different activities on the computer about the Playmobil toys.